Okay guys, I wanted to do a quick, super short video update on Chargepoint stock. So if you guys saw my previous couple of Chargepoint videos, I mentioned it was a pretty good buy around the $20, $21 range. A lot of other social media influencers have been piling in. And as you can see here, the stock really soared. So it hit a lot of resistance at about $25. Now it's settling in quite comfortably at $23. So now let's look at the potential playbook that we're kind of looking at right now. So me personally, what I've simply done is obviously, I'm waiting for Chargepoint to break out. I'm waiting for it to exceed those previous highs of much earlier. Okay, so we're looking at previous highs of around $48. In the meantime, I'm selling covered calls to generate income on my position, but I also have an option with a $25 strike price expiring on September 10th, guys. So what is basically going on? Well, as you can see here, guys, we had a huge volume spike. Okay, huge volume spike this most recent trading session. This could be the beginning of a very bullish trend here. So from technical analysis, as we can see here, this is one of the highest volume spikes that we've seen, 42 million shares traded. So we should see Chargepoint finally break out of this kind of pattern of basically bouncing off of the $20 support levels 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth time. So perhaps 4 times is a charm. Not really sure. But I think with the updated guidance that I mentioned in the previous video, I really think that we're going to be heading a lot higher with Chargepoint stock. So we still have a few catalysts, okay? Number one, the Lucid Air launch, okay? A lot of EV companies, Lucid Air, Canoe, Lordstown Motors, okay, guys? There's a plethora of EV companies that are launching their vehicles. So while EV sales were already up, more and more companies are going to be selling their vehicles, okay? Fisker has a highly anticipated launch next year. This is a sweet spot for where a lot of people are going to be interested in. I think 2022 is the year, okay? I really think 2022 is the year the EV becomes mainstream. Right now it's popular, but it's not mainstream. I think 2022, I think things like Bitcoin, EVs, AI, all of these industries are going to become mainstream. There's going to be a lot of money pouring into the EV sector. A lot of people are going to be looking to upgrade their vehicles. We're going to see a lot of things return back to normal, hopefully. So this is a wonderful time to get it. Now, looking at this massive volume spike, okay, we'll really see what happens, but this looks like a big green bullish flag. So we should be heading back towards at least, I would say, at least $27 to $28. So for a lot of you guys that bought that dip, congrats. Me personally, I'm hodling. I haven't sold a single share of my Chargepoint. I really want to see this play out because I'm really excited about this company. It's just got great management. It's already has a massive footprint. So we're just waiting to see the market realize this. So the last time we had a big bullish flag, okay, we ran all the way up to $36, and that was on the previous earnings, and the guidance wasn't higher. So perhaps we hit $40. Maybe we have nice 2x upside to close out the year. And that would be really exciting simply because Chargepoint is actually down 36% while the S&P 500 is up about 21 to 22%. So perhaps we can recover, okay? Obviously, it's probably not going to outperform the S&P 500, but that's okay. This is a new industry. There's a lot of excitement about Chargepoint. And it's at a small market cap, okay? It's not a big market cap. It's well under $10 billion, so there's a lot of upside for Chargepoint to approach, $20 billion, $50 billion market cap, $100 billion market cap. And at those current price levels, we'll probably see the stock trading at around $25, $30. So right now, we're just looking to soar past this previous resistance, and this stock can really moon, okay? I cover quite a few stocks on this channel, and the majority of them, I think, a lot of them are definitely cyclical plays or high growth plays. But Chargepoint is one of my biggest conviction plays. It's the second largest holding in my portfolio, and simply the reason why is that we're going to see a massive shift here. So I think a lot of people are second guessing this company, but if we take a look, if we back up to a whole year, okay, we're still up 121%. Okay, so since the SPAT deal was announced last year, the stock is up 121%, which is phenomenal. Okay, if you got in right when the deal was announced, you've already doubled your money. So that's amazing. And now we just have that previous resistance to breakout at $34, heading past $48. I really believe Chargepoint is one of those stocks that we saw in the past, like Fiverr, like Moderna, like Cloudflare. Okay, this is one of these high growth companies that can move from $20 up to 100 plus. And once these stocks hit 100 plus, they just take off. Okay, we've seen it, like I've mentioned a few examples there. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen some other ones. So that's really what my kind of MO is on this stock. Looking for stocks in the $10 to $20 range that can hit $100 plus. And once they hit $100 plus, that's really when you've got the institutional money FOMOing in. You've got a lot of people that are interested in these stocks, and they can go from $20 to 100, 200. I mean, look at Moderna. Moderna is a ridiculous chart, guys. I'm not going to pull it up to keep this video short, but Moderna was, before the pandemic, it was like 20 bucks. Now it's well over 300. It's soared. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for these stocks in these high growth industries that are trading at great prices. We're looking to hold them and hit $100, $200, $300, get a nice 10 bagger. And this could be a stock that you could definitely retire over. I haven't really talked much about this, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys watching this are under 40. If you're interested in retiring early, I think Chargepoint is a wonderful candidate. It's simply going to grow alongside the EV industry. So this is one of your safer bets. So like I said, guys, it's not financial advice, but when you're going with the most dominant, largest EV charging network in America, which is the largest economy in the world, you're definitely putting your money in a decent company. So that's it for now, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the red subscribe button and smash the like button as well. Let me know if you guys ended up buying the dip. Where do you think Chargepoint is heading in the near run? It'd be really interesting to hear what you guys have to say. So let's just wrap up this quick video, guys. So until next time, take care.